Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 9X Pro, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. And to get started, what you want to do is hold power key, select power off, assuming you don't miss it like I did. There we go. And once the device shuts off, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up. So both of the keys at the same time. And when you see the Honor logo, you can let go. And from here, all you need to do is tap on safe mode. This will initiate our reboot, and once the device is back up, it will be then in the safe mode. And we can also paste that once it boots up. It will have a little bit of a watermark in the bottom, left corner right here. Basically, I was saying that it is in safe mode, and this mark will stay there as long as you are in safe mode. So let's give it a moment, and there we go. You can see it right here, safe mode. So in this mode, only the essential apps are working. Anything else that you have installed is basically being disabled from starting up. So yeah, that is how you boot into it. And once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, hold power key and simply select restart. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.